Cave Creek, Arizona. I got that name wrong for a second. We've taken the legal blogging 45 chapters book and taken it outside. The pandemic had it inside my condominium starting last May, and now it's starting anew to fill in the blanks from what we didn't cover in 25 chapters with another 20 to go. Today we're talking about RSS. And RSS is real simple syndication. It kind of passed its time in some people's minds, meaning that if RSS was on your site, your publication site, your website, your blog, or whatever, I could receive it in a news reader. And that's very important because I'm an influencer and there's many more people that are more influential than me. So if you're looking to get your content to a news reporter, you're looking to get it to a major publisher, they're bringing it in news aggregators. They're not getting it in email newsletters, which you somehow think might be important. So you ought to have RSS on your publications. Historically, the easiest way to get RSS for lawyers was a blog, because it came on the blog, RSS-enabled blogs. For a period of time, maybe 5, 6, 7, 8 years, some people decided RSS had passed its time, it wasn't around. For the people that still used it, it's always been here. Within the last week, Google announced that RSS was going to be part of the Chrome browser. That should start to wake people up, because an awful lot of people use the Chrome browser, whether on an Android, whether on an iPhone, whether on their desktop computers. Well, now people can be subscribed to sites and it will show up and say there's new updates. So if I'm an in-house counsel, if I'm a consumer, I'm a small business person, if I want to stay up to speed with blogs, or I'm an influencer, I want to stay up to speed with blogs, I just push the button and get that RSS feed. So law firms have to revisit this subject. And what I find out, which is amazing, is they're paying hundreds of thousands of dollars, in some cases $1 million, for a website developer that's orchestrating their content as part of their website, and there's no RSS feed. So imagine they're contacting Lexblog, getting their content included in our network, so they're included in a worldwide blog network, but we can't get it because there's no RSS signal kicking out that subject. So for law firms right now, what they got to do is, one, take a look at whether they have an RSS feed. Easiest way to do so is just use Feedly. Take your URL, cut it into Feedly by adding content, see if your content is there. If it's not, you don't have an RSS feed. If you don't have an RSS feed, then what you got to do is just say, how am I going to get it? The easiest way to get it might be to get your content onto a blog in an independent site, as opposed to re-engineering all of your content. I've got a dog in this hunt in that regard, but you have to decide what's easiest for you. So we'll try some of these outside and see how it goes. It's kind of a off-the-wall place here in Cave Creek outside Scottsdale, Arizona, but I'm enjoying myself. Have a good day, guys.